If you want to create custom feeds on Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. For that step, we're going to use Sky Feed. All right. So what we're going to do in the app password, go ahead and click create right here, or the arrow to redirect you to the official website. Right. And then basically scroll a little bit down, you're going to see right here, add app password, and you're going to continue to create app password. And then you're going to copy the link eventually. Let me show you a demonstration right here. Copy the link, right? And then after you copy the link, you're gonna go back to the Sky feed, paste the link that I just told you to copy, okay? Hit continue, all right? And you're gonna be able right here to see the Sky feed, all right? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to see like a screwdriver in the left hand side menu. Go ahead and click on it, okay? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type hello, let's say the feed name test, okay? Test feed, all right, and then the regex, we're gonna just type right here announcement, all right. So basically I'm gonna just go ahead and see right here image alt text, right, to see the final result. You can just go ahead and click the publish feed right here at the top right. This is unimportant, and you're gonna be able to see the final result. If you want to just see the feed preview, you're gonna be able to see the highlighted word that you just seen, that you already seen, that actually generated by you typing announcement. All right. If you want to change it something like let me change it to cat, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead and click feed builder. I'm gonna see the feed preview after you just selected the feed builder, and you're gonna be able to see the the home feed generated, and all it shows is cat. So let me know in the comments with this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.